Oh, kanina ka rin. Kana. Wala sila diyan at murag ato sila ang dito ato ah. Oh, naitaw diyan man. Dagang kayo. Danas.
Iyo, nagangking dito.
Uy. Yeah.
You just laugh at me.
Is that cold?
That's why you talk about the good.
Yeah.
You have enough. Home point updated. Hi guys, hello people, mabuhay.
Sarap. Ang baga ah. Kan siguro ah. Kaning balay. Oo. Kaning balay. Pura na sa. This is the chapel. So people go up here. And there used to be a way there to go to the other land. Okay, this is the church.
Do they only open on Sundays?
Sundays, yes baby, Sundays. Let's go. Let's go. Go, baby. Let's go down. Love you.
Love you.
Let's go down. The waterfall that we're going to near Grandma's house is like this. There's stairs like this. It's not like roots.
Okay.
But it's just, it's so deep down, and then you go up again. Oh, there's a way to the back. Oh, that's Saton fruit tree. You know what this is? No? Bamboo. Oh, that's spring water. Yeah, it's just from the ground. You'll see a real spring later, where you can actually drink straight from the ground. Hey, warm. Huh? Huh? The what? Cacao, yeah, that's cacao. Yeah, that's what they make cocoa from. This cacao.
Do they eat the right one?
Yeah.
Is
And
it
then-
your uncle or a neighbor?
I'm not sure. Neighbors maybe. Nangita sila si Arong sulod to ani. Asa mata magbaklay magkasa.
Baklay na.
Baklay na.
Magka ang tubig.
Oh.
Let's
Kunin
go.
dalas tubig. Let's go ma. Kawa. Gusto silang si Ar.
Hala, where is my water?
Nasulod lang gamay. Ah. Ah.
Ito pwede dito na.
Tubig. Nah.
Ay na?
Kami dala.
Okay na.
Now you brought soap, right? Huh? Soap? For shower? Yeah.
You wanna bring soap, Baba? Are they allowed? Where the water comes from?
Ang baso.
Oo. Asa yung bukang?
So. Nasa likod nga
Likod?
seat. Oh.
Likod nimo.
Ah. Toilet sila. Ah.
Magbayad! Jo! Aw. Magbayad do kasi dala.
Ano sa ba okay, cottage sa man.
Dili man maglingkod raman ta.
Maglingkod. Ano ba ng cottage dahil pasabot ana?
Kanang magkaon.
Aw. Kumakaon mo to magbayad.
Oo.
Okay.
No, ginidita kay.
Oo. Pero dili unsa ba kanang di gani komportable nga bugnaw nang bugnaw magkurog-kurog ka. Ito'y gwapo, itong naswala. Di makita ng tubig.
Sila
Di
mo?
kana na lang ang iligo eh.
Ha?
Kana na lang iligo kay kumpleto ba to?
Nalatay mo naman ako sa dito mo sinibutan naman yung shortcut.
Oo.
Baka para ko.
Kani ang toilet?
Oo. Iabot pa sa ulan niya nagbagyo.
Mayo kay wala ni sulod mga balas dire.
Wala pa.
Ah. Gwapo kano sa Manila ako gi-develop mo rag yun ani nagsugod.
2013.
Pero naa na gyud ni, na fall sa una pa.
Sa una pa din.
Ah.
Wala pa lang ni siya, wala pa ni siya.
Pero naa na gyud ni kaning natural nga falls ba.
Ato pa yung mga agad sa tubig subay-subay.
Ah, sa bayo ng tubig. So na may atop.
Ay, balay na diha.
Ano ba?
Oh, gitawag na nila og ihap.
Ah.
Balay na diha yung dito.
Ano ba?
Naa siya kalsada pa yung dito nga pinakataas na kalsada.
Ha, yeah. Tour place, what do you mean? No. This is local government unit. This used to be a private land. But in the law, the land that is next to the water, 50 meters in from the water, is a government property. But the owner of the land still got paid because he has coconuts here that he planted, so they paid him for that, but not for the land. And then they developed this so that the local community can earn from this, and they promote this as the like a tourist place. So the money that we pay, that goes to the local government. Do you see those people cleaning when we come in? Those are not workers, those are just people that live here, but they are exempted from paying. So this is our waterfall. It's not that big.
Sa Thailand, kung nagagyan po mga turista.
Daghan. Pero marag overdevelop gani kanang dili kay natural. Kanang magtanaw si Memo nang tana siya. Uy, unsa man ni siya? Kanang gi-develop gini para gyud sa tourism dili, gi-develop sa mga lokal. Para lang maka-earn sila. LGU. Ha? Maligo? Ha? Oh. Pang, gunita na pang. Kawoy! Ate! Ah! Tanaw na ako. Nakaisda sa ilalom? Sino dapat tao? Nada. Video na. Iwasan gol. Di na may iwasan eh. Lumot-lumot ba? Siguro may mga tagal na sila, lagi na. Ay, dili man, dili man salt water. Ang dili, karang ito ba? Siguro na, kanang alimango gano'n ito. Awang? Awang eh. Ano rin ang sakit? Kaluro lang mo. Hey, baby. Hi. Hi.
How messy is my hair?
Hi. No, not messy. Hi. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. No. I'm under the water. You gave me. I'm under the water.
Down like a sumo.
I want to get some rock. Here. What kind of rock?
I'm sitting down like a sumo.
What kind of rock?
I'm sitting down like a sumo. I don't know.
That's called a sedimentary rock.
Oh.
Do you know what sedimentary rocks are?
Oh.
They form under the sea.
Whoa.
Why the hell is it on a mountain?
They bought it.
No, that means this mountain was underwater before.
Really?
Yep.
The sea levels were that high?
Yeah.
That's been here for millions of years?
Yeah. Sedimentary.
I'm fine.
Get me out of there, rock. Give me that bigger rock.
Woo. Okay.
Go down, all the way down.
I don't know.
Give me a rock. Give me a rock. Okay, see this? Igneous. Get it.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. Sedimentary. Look at that beautiful rock. Oh, that's poo-poo.
This poo-poo? Of what animal?
Okay, I'm gonna get this. I have a big one here.
Big rock in here.
Big one. Ah. This is what they use to take out dirt from your skin. Okay, so you see Papa has a lot of freckles. You see that? You see? That's what they use. See? Now, Papa's skin.
You say that's not from your, the stone?
There's nothing on the stone, that's my skin. That's dead skin. Now, see that? Allergies, right?
Why is it green?
Now you're swinging.
I already scrapped her stomach. Mama already scrapped.
I think that died.
Oh.